we have new contacts to try. So excited. Let's open it right up. Oh my goodness. It's like a little pamphlet, some stickers. That's cute. And then this is just a care manual on how to put in your contacts. I like that. This is, oh, a cute little hand mirror. Okay. This is actually adorable. It's so cute. It's actually adorable. This is perfect. So they also come with contact lens cases, and each case actually comes with a little tweezers and a little suction cup, so it's easier to put it into your eye. That's amazing. They also sent this. I think this is one of those things to open up your eye. I don't think I'll use this, but I'm still grateful for it. I mean, if you had a really hard time holding open your eye, this would definitely help. Let's get into the contacts. All right, so our first one is shiny blue. We get a little bath for them ready because they have to sit in a bath before they go into your eyes. I'll show you how to put a contact lens in. So I'm going to pick it up with my tweezers. Going to inspect the lens visually. I'm going to inspect my little suction cup, make sure there's nothing on it. It is going the correct way, and what's nice about these contacts is you can tell because of the pattern on one side versus the other. Now we're all good and hair free. So I put any excess liquid off the suction cup and I place it back on there. I'm going to look at the mirror in front of me so you can see this. I pull my eyelashes up underneath the eyelashes. If you don't go underneath the eyelashes and your eye flickers, it can just get in your way and it's super annoying. So you pull up underneath your eyelashes like this, down with this finger, and now I am able to place this directly in my eyeball. And just like that, it's literally foolproof. And look at that. Oh my goodness, it's so pretty. I always put my contacts in before I do big looks because my eyes always run when I put them in. But look at that coverage. I actually love these contacts. They're so pretty. I've always wanted blue eyes. That's it with both them in. I literally love these ones. These ones are shiny blue. Okay, if you want beautiful blue eyes, like, I just feel like they glow. This is the Stardust Crystal Green. It's absolutely stunning. I love this look. I think it's so pretty. It's very similar to another pair of contacts I have, but I actually think this one is better. These are absolutely stunning. This is Nebula Green. I love these contacts. They're going to be so perfect for Halloween cosplay. They're just so piercing. And there it is with both them in. Literally the perfect contacts for the Joker or for Beetlejuice. This is Ever Now Purple. It's super beautiful. There's supposed to be pink specks in it, but I find you can only really see it in the camera if I come really close up. Like kind of one right up there, you see that little dot? That's a pink little speck. So I think these are going to be perfect for fairy cosplay. I can't get over how good these contacts look and how comfortable they are. There's a 20% off discount in the description, guys. I hope you have a great day and thank you so much for watching. Bye!